What's up? I'm back. So come on this ride along so I can explain to you what we've been working on and why I haven't been filming. So we have 1 month to the year left and we've been working on closing out all the pending projects we have going on right now. So, you know, there's so much that goes into this, like managing the guys, making sure the money comes in that we spent, you know, spending it again, recycling, making sure everything runs smoothly, you know, on the phone with the banks. Is just a lot. So sometimes you don't even have time, you know, to film. You're not thinking about it. So trying to finish the year strong so we could pay attention to the projects we have coming in 2023, which is super exciting. We have an announcement coming out on those. But I actually just got a call from a contractor. They left some propane tanks on and I have to head to the property right now, make sure they're off. I'm actually a little nervous, so I'll get you an update and show you the house when we get there.
The right place for you.
All right, let's see. Oh, somebody closed it. What if Jay came? Let me call him. Hey, Jay. Hey, you came to Secaucus?
Huh?
Did you come to Secaucus?
No, that was where the guys were over there. Your dad called me. He said we're good to go for tomorrow.
Oh, so everything is dry. I can leave this off?
Yeah, they must have turned it off, and then because he told me that to pick up James tomorrow to go over there tomorrow to rock out tomorrow.
Okay, cool. So we're good. I don't need to keep these on.
Yeah, nah, we're good. Yep. Yeah, I didn't go over there. I didn't go over there because he called me and he told me, and then I told him, all right, so because so then he wants me to do 29th Street, Jersey City, and then I'm gonna meet James over over by Secaucus.
All right, so I'm gonna take these tanks, so we don't need them, right? Or leave them just for the paint.
I would leave it for the you can leave it for the paint. The problem
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So John had left them on, and then the guys who came to sand everything down turned it off. So it ended up working out. So tomorrow they're gonna paint this whole place, and then that's it. It's gonna come to life. One of the things I love about this downstairs area, everything is open, so it's easy, right? The flooring is just, you know, the planks go straight across. There's not a lot of cutting, not a lot of super like hard stuff to do. So even downstairs, you just paint this and it's done. Once the kitchens come in, they put these closet doors in, put the moldings, that's it. If you know anybody who may be interested, 2,000 square feet, basically brand new construction, call Anthony Zito, he'll help you out on this. So I got lucky. They came to sand down the wall so they could be prepared for the paint tomorrow. So everything is okay. I'm headed back to the office. I'm gonna close out the day. So one of the reasons we're pushing so hard on to finish everything is because we just got official news yesterday that we've been approved to build a 4-family house side by side. So this thing is going to be a monster. 6,200 square feet, 3,100 each side. So, you know, we're super excited to get that going, but we have to finish these first, you know, so stay tuned for that one.
The right place for you.